Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I am going to tell you about the process of making a pasta. It's one of my favorite dish that I like to eat. So for making a pasta, I am going to use some pasta, this one. And apart from that, I am going to use lots of vegetables. Here you can see I have lots of vegetables. I have some colored bell peppers. These are colored bell peppers. This is onion. This is broccoli. And I also have some garlic cloves. And these are some other ingredients that we would need. This is green olive. This is black olive, and this is baby corn. And apart from that, we would also need some red sauce. And then we would need some salt, and we would also need some herbs and some oregano and chili flakes. And the main ingredient is the cheese slices. So now we will start with the process. So first thing that we have to do is we have to take a big pot. So we have to take a big pot like this, and we have to take some water and let it boil. So once it starts boiling, I'm going to take some salt. And add it into the boiling water. After adding some salt, I'm also going to add some olive oil so that the pasta does not stick. I have added some pasta in the boiling water. I am going to stir this pasta slowly. Stir this pasta slowly till the pasta is boiling. I am going to chop these vegetables. So now the pasta is boiled and it is now soft. I have strained the pasta. Now I will be keeping it aside. Let's keep it aside. So now I'm going to switch on the gas stove again. So I am adding some oil here. So the oil is now hot. I am going to add garlic and onions. We are going to let it fry. For some time, and then we are going to add all the other vegetables in this. I am adding all the vegetables. Going to fry that. Once the veggies are fried, I am adding some salt. I will also add some herbs and chili flakes and some more herbs. So let's add some herbs. Some chili flakes and some more bowl. Once all these are added, we are going to mix it. We are going to mix it well. After this, I will add this red sauce. Let it cook for 2 minutes. After letting it cook for 2 minutes, I will add the strained pasta and I am mixing it again. It is mixed. I am going to add some cheese slices. I am adding some cheese slices. We will mix everything again. Now you can see that the pasta is ready and it is ready to be served. So my favorite dish is ready, and now I want you guys to tell me about your favorite dish and the recipe you used to make it. So you can first talk about all the ingredients and then you can tell me about the process. Hope to see you soon in another video. Bye bye. Take care.